NILES-SIMMONS and GEA Westfalia Separator Group, an established partnership ready for the future. With over 15 turn mill machining centers and lathes in all sizes of the NILES-SIMMONS horizontal series. For high stability, better cutting performance, and a long machine life. It's technology that means a head start and new possibilities, such as highly flexible machining, continuous machine operation even for small batch sizes, and highest precision for the demands of food production. NILES-SIMMONS and GEA Westfalia, a partnership in technology, development, and service.